All right, fifth grade. I'm noticing that a lot of people are having kind of a tough time uploading things to Seesaw, and I understand it's new, and it's new for me as well. And so I'm going to post a video on how to make it a little bit easier, and hopefully this will help you out. Okay, so I'm on Google Classroom right now. I'm going to go to Classwork, and Wednesday, where your identity poster should be, you're going to click on it. Mine is going to show my one, like my actual drive. Okay, what I want you to do when you have your identity poster up, make sure that your identity poster is actually done with all your pictures first. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to File. Okay, and you're going to download. And you're going to download as, so there's a couple different options. These are all different kinds of files. You don't need to know what they are, but I do want you to click on this one that says PDF. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to download to your computer. Okay. That way you don't have to worry about going to Drive and finding it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Clever. I'm going to follow the steps of the video, go to Seesaw, and then I'll go to Activities, and then I'm going to add a response, just like I was going to. Sample student, because that's me. I'm not going to click on anybody's name. And I'm still going to click Upload, but instead of saying Select from Google Drive, I'm going to Select from Computer. And it's in my downloads, and here's my identity poster right there, ready to go. Okay? You might have to look a little bit for it. You might have to search identity poster, and then you'll open, and then there it is right there. Okay? Now this is a slide, and so you have to go down here to your third slide where your identity poster is, and then that is where you're going to push the microphone and explain all your things, just like the video said. Okay. Hopefully this way it's easier. You don't have to worry about using Google Drive and having to find it. You can just download it and then upload it back onto Seesaw. Okay. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Hopefully this will help.